Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you opened this video today because today I'm gonna review this nice, very cute Coach wallet, and I think it's one of the most successful Coach items, and now I will tell you why. As you know, Coach produce lots of different items, purses, wallets, keychains, and so on. And on my channel I already reviewed several Coach bags, and all these videos are super successful on my channel, so I thought why not to review this wallet. This is my personal wallet and I own it since a year, and I am not planning to switch to any other wallet anytime soon because I think it's a perfect fit, it's a perfect size, very good quality, and I just love the color and design. This wallet cost around 100 euros, and they have different colors, and of course they have different sizes. For me, I picked this size because it fit to any purse, and you can just carry it like this. Maybe if you have a big pocket in your coat or trench coat or blazer and put it in. Yeah, as color wise, I picked this color because I think it classics. I mean, beige, it's one of my favorite colors, and also look quite expensive. And you know, I think if you have like blue wallet, in some point it will get too eye-catchy, and at least for me, I would get tired from this color. But beige, it's forever classics, you know. So when I buy something which I'm planning to use for long, I always try to stick to classics like black, white, beige, brown maybe. And yeah, that was my reason choosing this color. And as you see here, we have a Coach logo, and the material wallet done from is a leather, very good quality. And in the back of wallet we have this pocket where you can keep your coins and stuff, and bendings are quite nice. You can see this wallet is 1 year old and it's in perfect condition because quality, as I said, is amazing. To open the wallet, we do this. We have the opening here, and here we have this pocket where I personally keep my ID card because like it's the most accessible pocket. And actually this is the whole size of wallet. Inside we have here this pocket where you can put your cash, and yeah, I think they could have done it even longer, but it's totally unnecessary. I don't think there is that long money. Yeah, it perfectly fits, even like 100 euros, 200 euros, which are the biggest. And here we have quite a lot of pockets where you can put your cards, which is, I think, nowadays very important, right? Because all of us have so many cards, at least I do. And yeah, we have 3 here, 3 here. Here we have 2 hidden pockets. And also here we have 1 more hidden pocket, which I discovered not very soon. And yeah, even inside the wallet has this nice color and material quite good. Here we have the logo of Coach. And yeah, I think that's all what you can tell about this wallet. I mean, it's quite tiny item, right? And yeah, if you are seeking for a good wallet, it would be my personal recommendation. I promise you won't regret. Of course, if you get the colors that you really like. And yeah guys, that's a Coach wallet. And please leave me comment below and tell me what are other items you would like me to review, maybe some specific brands or something specific from any other brands, maybe from Coach or from Michael Kors, Guess, anything. Anyway, I'm always very glad when you watch my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and put like to this video so I can understand what kind of content you like and will be more motivated to produce higher quality and better content for you. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. I wish you to have a great shopping. Bye bye.